Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option how to change preferred Braille display grade in Realme 14 Pro phone. So, first, we need to go to our phone settings. Then we need to scroll down to accessibility and convenience, then accessibility. Next, at the top we have this vision tab, and then TalkBack. Now, in the top right corner, we have the scope menu, which we need to open, and on this list, we are looking for Braille Display. Here it is. Now, we're looking for our Braille Display, prefer grade. Here it is. And we have here two options. We have Contracted Braille and Uncontracted. Pretty simple. And that's pretty much it. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.